other eyebrow. So you notice here I just kind of begin by brushing my eyebrow hairs, and then I brush the eyebrow hair down, and I begin to fill following my natural arch. You want to do light strokes. You don't want the brow too dark. I like my eyebrows to look as natural as possible, so I like to follow my natural arch. And here I'm just going to be brushing my brows just to see what else I need to fill in. So here I'm going to go in and fill the tail end, but I'm filling it in very lightly. I don't have much product on my brush. I'm going to go back in and just check and see what I need to fill in. I'm going to fill that top of the brow just a little bit more. And I'm going to go to the bottom and follow my natural arch. So now I'm going to go in and I'm going to fill in the front just a little bit, very lightly. Usually if my eyebrows are freshly done, I don't fill the front end at all. But because it's been a few weeks since I got my eyebrows done, I am filling it in just a little bit. Here I took my concealer from Born This Way in Deep Sand, placed it on the back of my hand. I'm going to use a very flat brush. It's a brush that I got from Amazon years ago that I love. And I'm going to go in and begin to conceal the brow. So you're going to just follow, again, your natural arch. And you're going to lightly begin to clean that brow up. So we're going to go through one more time, and we're going to talk through how we conceal the other brow. So again, we're going to go in with a flat brush, and we're going to follow our natural brow. And notice how I am slowly taking my time to conceal it. It's no rush. And then I like to bring my concealer all the way down the bottom of my brow, just a little bit on my lid. And here I'm just checking to see if I needed to conceal anymore, if I needed to clean anything else up. It's good to do this with a mirror so you can look, closely. Now notice when I get to the top of my brow, I'm only concealing, again, like the middle to the tail end of my brow. I do not put concealer on the front end of my brow, and I'll show you why later on in the video. Here I'm just cleaning up any parts that I went too deep in with the concealer, just with a little bit of eyebrow gel. So if you mess up, it's not really a big deal because you can always go back in with your pomade or your product, and you can just fill the brow back in. So that's what I'm doing here. So here we are again. We're going to just conceal the top of the brow. We're not going to go all the way to the front of the brow. Maybe leave about 10% of that brow free. As you notice, I like to brush the concealer a little bit up. And now I'm just checking to see if the brows are even. So I'm going to go in and blend it out. So here I'm just using a fluffy brush, and I like to begin at the bottom of my brow, whatever brow I started with first, because that's the concealer that is the driest. And then I'm going to continue to blend downward. So here I'm just continuing to blend out and look at my brows to see if anything needed to be blended out. I'm going to go in with my NYX Control Free Clear Brow Gel. And this is why I don't conceal the front of my brows. I'm going to brush my hairs in the front upward to give it that nice hair stroke look. Just showing you here. And I'm going to continue into the next brow. This brow gel is clear, so it just defines the brows and allows the hairs to just lay down. So if you're going to be just wearing the brows by themselves, I would usually go in with my foundation and just blend it out. But since I'm going to be using these eyebrows to do an eyeshadow look, I left it as is. Thank you for watching, and until next time, ladies.
One